Connect the hoses and the stop valve. Ensure that the locking handle on the head is open. Connect the flow meter in the horizontal position at the outlet of the filter head. Connect the bend at the outlet of the filter. Insert the seals into the hoses and connect them at the filter head. Pull the flap of the protective cap upwards and remove the protective cap. Check that the O-ring seal of the filter cartridge is positioned correctly. Insert the filter cartridge in the filter head. The filter cartridge can only be inserted when the locking handle is open. Scan the QR code and set the reminder for the filter exchange. You can download the app for free on our homepage in the App Store or on Google Play. Alternatively, you can note the next exchange date in the date field on the filter cartridge. The Purity filter cartridge is exhausted after reaching the capacity stated by the information supplied by the machine manufacturer, or at least 12 months, depending on which occurs first. Identify the local temporary hardness. Adjust the bypass according to the application and the identified temporary hardness. Turn the bypass screw with a 4mm Allen key until the desired bypass agrees with the marking. Never overwind the bypass screw to avoid any damage. Adjust the capacity of the flow meter. Operate the flush valve and flush the filter system until the filtered water runs without bubbles. Attach the flow meter to a clearly visible place. Purity C is ready for operation.